Today I am making an adjustable rat bangle. The bangle measures 6.5 centimeters across, and I have these lovely little red enamel heart charms. The rat is made of stainless steel, and it's chunky, very strong, and has a heart. Okay, so we take our pliers and we need to open up the bangle to add the charms. So we undo just a little bit more and then push up. I'm then going to take a very strong jump ring, silver jump ring, and we open the jump ring with 2 pairs of pliers. And we attach the stainless steel rat charm and then add to the bangle. Take our pliers again and then close. Next we are going to add the enamel heart charm. Now you can put it on just like this, but I prefer to use it with a jump ring. I just don't feel it sits right, but obviously if the customer wants it like that, I'll do it. So again we open the jump ring, add the heart charm, make sure we attach it the right way so that the red is showing at the front. And then take the pliers and close. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have lots of tutorials available and lots more planned, and every purchase of this helps towards my small animal rescue, where I help to rescue lots of small ratties. Every purchase helps towards vet bills, and I'm also a wildlife animal transporter. I do that voluntary as well, although not so much as I used to due to time. I then add a handmade with love tag, just punching out the hole. Just attach using some thread. And then just tie it to the bangle. All the supplies are available on my website if you want to have a go at making one yourself, or you can obviously purchase one already made. I'll leave a link in the description below. Just adds that little extra touch. It shows it's not mass produced in China and made with love. Rats are lovely, although they don't live long enough. I then pop inside an organza bag. I nearly forgot, I always add 2 little resin hearts and pop them in. And there is our finished bangle. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.